How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How are you guys? Oh my gosh, I feel like it's been a few days since I've talked to you. Sorry if that fan sounds loud, but I don't know where y'all from, but we are in LA, Ventura County, and it is mother trucking hot. We're having the biggest heat waves, like holy moly. This is not like what we're used to in Ventura, so the people out here are like freaking out. To me, I'm in LA all the time, so to me this heat is normal and in the valley. But oh my gosh, over here in Ventura by the beach, it is like 90 degrees, so I have the fan going. I have all these fans going. Usually it doesn't get this hot here, so in my parents' house here, we're right next to the beach, so we have like a shit ton of windows in this house, like a lot of windows, but we don't have the AC. Oh my gosh. And then my room here, when I'm here, is freaking, it's either like when it's hot, it's super hot, or when it's cold, it's super freaking cold. And so good thing my fan has a heater and a fan. Anyways, that was a little rampage of how hot I am. I have a video here for you today to show you this really cool new 8-piece yoga set I got, and it just is an all-inclusive, all-in-one. So when you guys ask me like where to get different yoga items or where to get different things for beginners when I do yoga on my channel or when I do stretching, which you should do every single day, this is a perfect kit for beginners or advanced that has a little bit of everything in it. So it's like, it's perfect. And then I want to show you my outfit that I will be using today for my stretching. Well, for showing you, yes, some stretching and also my kit. So this sports bra happens to be brand new Barretto. Can't wait to let it go. It's from Yvette Sportswear, and it's so comfortable, so it's gonna secure me in while I'm doing yoga, but it has a little zipper so you can have some breathage, or you can keep those girls nice and tight. And I like it because in the back it's like a sports bra look, but it also has the clips to where you can adjust it. And then these matching little pants that I got too, and they're gonna be perfect for my stretching because they're like a very, very comfortable stretching material. And then they go up right above my calves, so you know it doesn't secure the calf gains, and they are definitely showing the gains today. There's a little zipper back here. You can store some stuff like your phone or your chapstick, but I think it's super cute. What y'all think? So I will be wearing this today. Oh my god, I'm literally already sweating and I have not done anything. I just got out of the shower, so maybe that's why when you get out of the shower, you know, and you're already like super hot. I want to cut off my hair right now because it's like a blanket and I have it up, but it still is so hot. But I will not do that because I love it on cold days. So let me show you what's inside of my yoga kit before we get started. Voila! So look, it comes in this big bag. Like I got this box in the mail and I almost forgot what I got because it was so big, and I was like, geez, what did I order? But it comes with all kinds of goodies. So let's see what's inside. Now this brand, oh shoot, this brand is Lotus, and so it has the little lotus flower. Now, you guys have seen me use this in a video if you've been with me rocking with Teen T-Baby for a while. The yoga blocks, how important yoga blocks are. And this set comes with 2, and it's really good. I've actually done a video in the past with 2 blocks. It's really good as a beginner, advanced, whatever, to use yoga blocks, because these are what is going to get you to be able to reach certain areas when you're stretching that you might not be able to reach right now. But when you keep stretching every day, honey, you're going to be able to reach it, okay? Then we have the premium. Oh my god, I love this kind of mat. It's the premium yoga mat, thick. It says thickness, like, you know, Team Thick Fit. The non-slip texture. So like these are kind of similar to the ones that they have at the gym. Man down. Let me show you. It's the non-slip, and oh my god, this is my favorite type of mat because honestly, when you're doing the downward dog and your feet slip, it's the most annoying thing in the world. If you don't know what the downward dog is, I'll show you. But it's a yoga pose stretch. And when you're doing it and your feet are sliding on like a slippery mat, it's not the business. So this one, oh, under my umbrella, hella, This one is the non-slip. So your little feeties do not slide around. Now, isn't that just great? So then you also get this microfiber towel. Do you guys know what microfiber does? It collects the sweat, so it's not all sticky when you're like those regular towels. So this microfiber towel, you can lay this down on your mat, and this one happens to be a large marge, so it's for full body. That's really cool. This is super nice. And then it also comes with a little mini one. So like if you do not want to bring your huge mat to the gym or to your yoga session or just stretching, it also comes with another little baby one. Or you could just use this because it's a really good towel for when you go to the gym or when you stretch, or you can lay it behind your hair on your head or whatever you like to do with the towel. Just got a mini one. And then you guys, these are major key for beginners right here, the yoga strap, because let me just tell you why. You can either do a band or a strap or whatever. I have also showed you guys that before, that this is going to help you when you cannot reach a certain area, okay? So, oh my god, yes girl, I am so sorry, you have no idea. But these straps is what's going to help you wrap around your foot or wrap around your leg so you can reach areas that you might not be able to reach. And I believe this is a little like, oh, this is the double one. So this one is connected in the middle and you can increase it smaller or bigger, but like this one people put on their feet and they also pull it to reach closer to their feet. And then this strap, you can adjust, and this is the full length one. So there's so many things you can do with the straps. And wow, I went through that bag fast. And then it comes obviously with this bag. Like this, you will go, if you roll up to any yoga class or your own yoga class, you got zippers. If you roll up anywhere with this bag, you are looking professional. You are looking like the real motherfucking deal. Now, another thing that's super cool that they include is a 30-minute beginner's yoga flow. So if you're not watching my yoga videos, sadly, or my stretching to see how to do it, because sometimes I do move a little bit faster, and I'm not a certified yoga teacher by any means, and I always say this, you guys, I'm not a certified yoga teacher, but I do know how to stretch, and I do know the body, and I did study the body, and I did study in kinesiology in college and all that, so I do know a lot about muscles in the body. But yoga is actually, you know, a thing, and it's actually certain poses, certain names, like I said, like the downward dog is one of the poses, but there's people who are professionals in this, and that's their expertise. So it's not my expertise, but oh, my mailman's here. I got some mail. See out the window right here who is lurking. But yeah, so this is so cool. So you guys can pop this in as a 30-minute beginner's yoga flow. So if you think that my stretching is not beginner, then you can go ahead and watch this. For me, I like to just focus on my meditation, and I don't necessarily need to watch anybody anymore, but in the beginning I have, and to be honest, I have done classes on YouTube where I watched for a half hour or an hour. I shut off my phone and I just got down to business, and I got stretching, and I did the whole hour. I did the whole class because your girl needed it really bad. So you can also do that. And I can't like stress this enough about how important stretching is for you guys, especially if you are lifting weights or in the gym. Like, it's so important. Stretching helps with injuries, with recovery, with gaining lean muscle mass, with everything. But besides the fact of that, it's also a workout depending on how you do it, and meditation. This is going to help you with stress, with anxiety, with healing mentally, physically, inside, outside, everything. I just think that when people hate on anybody for doing yoga or stretching, like men or women, you're pathetic, because it's yoga. Like, why is it wrong if a guy does yoga? It's not. It's completely normal. Like, people are just so that's another topic, but no, I'm just kidding. But anyways, so I'm going to show you simply a couple things on how you can use, you know, this mat with the band, with the blocks and with the straps. But like I always like to do is just put my music on and flow, and you will see just, you know, a couple ideas of how you can use these things and why this is so great and what I use it for. And of course my fit will be in the description, because this fit is gonna comfortably get me through this yoga. Okay. I love you all, Team T-Babies, and I will see you guys on my next video. you.